Bonjour mes amis, buongiorno mes amici, guten Morgen meine liebe Freundin. Aujourd'hui nous avons deux voitures intéressantes, pas une voiture, nous avons deux voitures, une double feature, like we say in English. We start with a Aston Martin DB9 convertible with a 6-speed manual, guys. And on the other side, we have an Aston Martin DB9 Coupe, also 6-speed manual. And like the convertibles very much. I love the lines on the Coupe. Look at this. This is amazing. It looks like an airplane. Look at that sweeping line. It's amazing if you look at this angle here. It's amazing. The DB9 convertible is something I always specialize in. I've always had convertibles. This, in fact, is my first coupe. Notice I love the, they call this piano black. It's so smooth. I wish you guys could touch this thing. Here is just glass. It's like black glass. They call it piano black wood. Front and center here is a 6-speed joystick here. Look at that. This is the only car in the country available for sale. The only DB9 available for sale with a 6-speed manual. And for those of you who want to convert from a automatic DB9 to the 6-speed manual, there is a service right now that will take $50K of your hard-earned American dollars, have the car shipped to the UK, have a conversion done to the manual transmission, and then ship it back to you. So that's a $50K extra on top of what you already spent to get the car. I've already mentioned this is a 6-liter V12 producing 450 horsepower, and it feels a dang lot faster than the automatic version since you decide when to change the gears. Now, one thing I'd like you guys to get back to me on is which taillight do you like better? The red taillights or the clear taillights is the other one. This is your homework. Get back to me and tell me which one do you prefer for this particular color? Which looks sharper? One reason I like the convertibles more than the coupes, the reason why I prefer convertibles, is on a nice day like this, when it's all nice and fall and beautiful weather, 70 degrees, you can take the top down, and it's a hoot driving this car. It's amazing when you hear switching gears. You'll see that when you go on a ride. But also from a practical standpoint, notice if you have little occupants that want to get in the back, it's pretty easy to, get access to the back seat. You know, you have the top down, and doesn't take a whole lot of stretching to get in the back. Also, if you have to stop on the way and get something from Home Depot or Lowe's that it takes a lot of space, you can stick it in there and you have room for it. You know, you can put like, I don't know, a 2x4 or something. I'm not gonna say a drywall or 4x8. You're not gonna fit that on this car. You're gonna have to take your truck. Now, the only thing the only thing I don't like about coupes that much is that it's a little tight to get into the back seat. But on the other side, it feels very much stiff when you drive this thing. It feels more rigid than the convertible. If airplanes could be driven on the highway, this is what they would feel like. Alright, let me show you guys how easy it is to put the top back up. All you need to do is press down on this button here. And then you see this Aston Martin dance. his and hers set. Here's your chance. They're both the same color, same great condition. Where else are you going to find us out of the Val Eurosport? Listen to that. It does feel a little more rigid, I think. Wow. Maybe a little more quiet. Feels a little more quieter than well, obviously we got the top down, but let's see if we can catch up with this guy here. Too much fun with this. Hopefully the cups are not out today. I'm tempted to go up in 5th gear, but I'd rather not. We're already going fast enough here. Well, that's all I had to say. Joe and I, we had a lot of fun filming this quick video comparison between the DB9 Coupe and the DB9 Convertible. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Thank you for watching our channel, and please push that subscribe button on the lower right side of the screen. And remember to like, and remember, every time you subscribe, you get another angel gets his wings. Until next time, bye.